Can you safely reuse parts from an old toilet when installing a new one? Start by inspecting the water supply line, shutoff valve, and mounting hardware for corrosion, cracks, or mineral buildup. If the flexible supply line is braided stainless steel with intact fittings and no bulging, it can be reused, but replace any rubber or plastic lines older than about 10 years, and always fit a new wax or rubber flange seal when installing a new bowl. When removing the old toilet, turn off the water. Flush to empty the tank. And use a sponge to soak up residual water so you can lift the toilet dry. Keep the old tank lid and parts laid out in order so you can compare size and fit with the new unit and identify any reusable components. Replace all seals and bolts because toilet flange bolts and tank to bowl gaskets compress and degrade over time, causing leaks even if they look serviceable, and inexpensive new bolts and a fresh wax ring or wax-free seal are far cheaper than fixing a leaking floor. Consider reusing the shutoff valve only if it operates smoothly and shows no leaks when pressure tested after the new connection is made. If it is lime-encrusted, stiff, or shows seepage around the packing nut, swap it for a new quarter-turn valve for reliable shutoff and easier future service. The water supply line may be reused if the threaded ends match the new fill valve, and if the hose shows no fraying or inner liner collapse. When reusing, add fresh thread tape to the male fittings and hand tighten, then quarter turn with a wrench, then pressure check for at least 5 minutes while observing for any weeps. Upgrade the flush mechanism and the seat, because these are low-cost, high-impact improvements that improve performance and comfort. Installing a modern fill valve and adjustable flapper or dual flush retrofit can reduce water use and fix persistent fill or siphoning problems without replacing the entire tank assembly. Common mistakes are reusing a cracked or partially collapsed supply line because it looks intact but fails under pressure. The fix is to cut it off and replace it with a new braided line rated for potable water and match the fitting types. Another frequent error is reusing old mounting bolts and a compressed wax ring, and assuming a tight fit will prevent leaks. Change the bolts and install a new wax or wax-free flange gasket and torque bolts evenly to avoid cracking the porcelain. A third issue is leaving mineral deposits in the tank or on the flush valve that impair sealing and cause phantom flushes. Clean or replace the flush valve components and use a soft brush and vinegar solution to remove hard water buildup, or install a modern replacement flush valve that is designed to resist deposits. BigHomeProjects.com helps connect homeowners with local contractors and shows project ideas and real user experiences that relate to plumbing and fixture replacement. We maintain a discussion community where we and other members share tips, photos, and recommendations so homeowners and contractors can learn from one another.